Karma Cats to the Farm, read by the author Kathleen Kastner, illustrated by Coraline Tran. For all farm animals, may you be happy and free of suffering. Penny the pig was a shy pig with a quiet voice. She dreamed of being free in nature. Penny and her friends were confined in crates and had little room to move. They were being raised for food inside a barn called a factory farm. The pigs weren't allowed to go outside where there was sunshine and grass. One day, Penny's farmer loaded her onto a truck with the other pigs. She was confused and didn't understand what was happening. She had trusted her farmer to take care of her. The pigs were packed in the truck for hours without food and water. It was crowded and noisy on the truck. The pigs were scared. Penny didn't want to be on the truck, and even though she was afraid, something came alive inside of her. She took a leap of faith and jumped from the truck. She landed on her feet, but she twisted her ankle and fell to the ground. Penny cried out in pain, "Help!" The Karma Cats, Julian and Oliver, were out on their rounds looking for animals in need of help. They heard Penny crying. They came to her side and calmed her with their kindness and compassion. Julian and Oliver found an old wheelbarrow and gently lifted Penny into it. They made their way through a field and headed for the forest. From a distance, they could hear a large truck rumbling down the road. The farmer had come back and was yelling for Penny. He knew she had escaped and wanted to find her. The Karma Cats whisked Penny away to the forest to hide her from the farmer. Eventually, the farmer gave up and went to look for her elsewhere. Julian and Oliver pushed Penny through the trees and helped her out of the wheelbarrow into the shade. They made a splint for her leg out of sticks and vines. The Karma Cats searched for food for Penny and found berries from a bush and water from a stream. Penny began to relax and feel safe with her new friends, Julian and Oliver. As they were resting together, they heard a loud roar in the bushes. A mountain lion came charging for Penny, and she tried to run from him. Julian jumped in front of the mountain lion and scared him away. Penny was amazed by his courage. Julian and Oliver guided Penny to safety and came across a sign that said Farm Rescue. This is a place where abandoned farm animals were rescued and treated with love and compassion. A dog named Alex greeted them at the gate and brought them to the farmhouse. The Karma Cats knocked on the door. A nice man and his wife answered and offered to help Penny. They replaced the splint with a brace on her injured leg. The couple showed Penny around the farm and introduced her to the other animals. Rosie the cow had been rescued from a dairy farm. She was a sweet girl who rubbed her head against Penny to show affection. Next, Penny met Bobby the turkey and Sunny the chicken. They had been rescued from a flood at a local farm. They greeted Penny with feather-filled arms which warmed her heart. Then Penny met Henry the lamb. He had been found wandering in the forest without his mom. He greeted Penny with a gentle kiss on her snout. Penny felt happy at the farm and wanted to live there with the other animals. Julian and Oliver felt it was safe to leave her there and gave her a big hug goodbye. They promised to visit the farm and come volunteer often. Penny's leg healed quickly, and soon she was able to play with the other animals. She led them on walks around the farm and loved being outside in nature. Penny also enjoyed splashing in her mud baths. She soaked up the sunshine while singing her favorite songs. Penny loved being a part of her forever farm family. And here are the real animals. Here are Julian and Oliver, brothers. And here is Penny. Rosie the cow. And Alex the dog. Bobby the turkey, and Sonny the chicken, and Henry the lamb. I'm Kathleen Kastner, the author, with my cat Noah, star of Karma Cats to the Rescue, and this is my illustrator Coraline Tran, who lives in Vietnam with her 2 cats. Thank you so much for joining me for Karma Cats to the Farm. Hope to see you next time, and in the meantime, keep being a superhero of kindness.